Social literacy is the ability to understand and effectively navigate social situations. It encompasses a wide range of skills and knowledge, enabling individuals to build positive relationships, resolve conflicts, and contribute meaningfully to their communities.
In this generation, we cannot avoid conflict to others because of lack of communication, empathy, respect, and understanding to others. And because of that, people might say or people might think that we are social literate. And our advocacy today in our video is to promote the social literacies that people should have.
Back sa formation. Okay, asa day ka dapat? Dira ka sa tunga di baghapon. Tarungang formation. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Ulit. Gano'y nana man ka magsayaw. Gapon pa na ba? So, ulit-ulito na to ni siya, adladlaw. Kapila na ako ni gibalik-balik sa inyo ha, ang stress. Di dyan po nyo makuha. Ikaw, gano'ng man na? Nakay problema? Ang kauban mo sa likod, tarong kayo, ikaw lang dili. Gano'ng man na?
Kailang ka? Focus ba? Focus. Kaya lang natin mga pasensya ba sila?
1, 2, 1, 2, chak, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Okay, squeeze.
Sensya na yung kukariya ko sa mga problema sa balay rin.
Ito day problema. Pwede niyo mo siya i-share sa ako para masabtan ka.
Empathy is the ability to understand or share the feelings of another person. As an individual, empathy is essential for building strong relationships and creating a positive learning environment.
Morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Jason.
So, please sit down. Okay, Miss Castro, in your own thought, what is social literacy?
My own opinion, ma'am, it is how you interact with other people.
Oh, yes, that's good. It is all about how we interact to other people. So, there are lots of types of social skills when it comes to social literacy.
Kasi nga social literacy, curious kay kung ano ba, wala ka balo kung saan na siya, paano makipag-communicate o ano sa ano kay, dili magud ko, kanang dili ba ko ganahan makipag-communicate basta dili kayo na ko close. So, paano tama makipag-communicate sa ano, sa tao? Wala ka balo na daw. Alam mo, tanata kay ma'am.
Oh, yes! Okay, social literacy is, patunggi ko na ko ganina kung paano ka makipag-communicate sa uban. Okay. Isa may pangutanan niyo.
By fostering curiosity in learners, you can create a more effective and enjoyable learning environment. It encourages learners to ask questions and explore topics.
Dali na mga panaw sa mundo nga. Ayun ka pa si nanay. Kung saan yung problema?
Alam kan kaon-kaon siya, tapos wala siyang nabayad sa kong utang. Baga siyang dawog. Ay, ako pang bayag na ko. For your information, ikaw ang namutang sa konya. Ikaw ang naglimot-limot sa iyo.
Oh, wait. Inurihan ko na, Bing.
Wala siya, oy. Muna ko. Wala ka eh. Ay, nagkukumin.
Conflict resolution is a process of resolving disagreements between individuals, groups, or organizations. By using effective conflict resolutions, individuals can resolve disagreements or conflicts in a constructive and respectful manner. Why social literacy is important? Because it helps individuals to convey and receive information and also develop self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and career success.
I hope you learn and promote our advocacy to others.